Hello folks, welcome back to Outdoors with Mike, another cooking show for you. In today's video, how to cook a simple shepherd's pie. We got our hamburger and corn. You use one normal corn and one cream style corn. We only have cream style, but you need another simple corn, but we'll make it work. And we got our potatoes. And we're not sponsored by any of these products in our video. Yeah, please subscribe if you haven't already. It helps the channel out. And just trying to spend time at home and with the family and get some cooking shows while I'm home. Alright, I know you guys like moose camp, fishing and all that. I never will forget that. I'll try to get you some of those footages later on. Alright, well with that said, we'll get started on our cooking. Alright.
Yes.
Ouch.
Cool.
It's hot. You let it cool down, it'll stay together.
It'll set up more when you let it cool down.
Okay, the hamburger is going in, folks. Hamburger's going in. We got a little bit of water at the bottom so it won't burn. Alright, that's step one.
Oh, what are we doing?
Okay folks, the hamburger's done.
Oh my god.
Draining out the oil. There it is. Oil's not good for you.
Hold it hard.
All right, we'll get that done, and we'll get the potatoes are coming along. Mashed potatoes. We cut it small so they cook fast, and we're gonna mash them. If they're too big, they won't cook fast. So cut them small because you're gonna mash them. They'll cook fast. All right, continuing on. Okay, it's gonna come together, folks. Hamburger strain, that's the first layer. Now our potatoes are done. We're gonna strain them. Yeah, we'll get it mashed now.
Like a good.
Yeah, we're putting some salt in, folks.
Some better butter.
And some butter is going in.
Okay,
Salt and better. Okay, we'll get that mashed up. Our potatoes are done. We'll get this mashed up for you, guys. All right, folks. It's coming along.
I just push it down good.
With your hamburger, you can get frozen mixed vegetables. You could cook it with your hamburger if you wanted to. And we put in cream, what's that?
Cream style corn.
Cream style corn on there. You could get it, and we don't have a regular corn.
I would put in, yeah, I would also put a can of regular corn with
So
this.
regular corn and cream style corn.
Would be just perfect, but this is gonna work.
And mixed vegetables with your hamburger meat.
And then,
You can do that too, folks.
hang on.
How to make a simple shepherd's pie. Avril and Michael style.
It's gonna steam like. Oh, come this way there. Okay. So.
Okay, folks, the potatoes going on.
This is not. I don't like this.
Yeah, the potatoes are going on, folks. There's the potatoes. We'll show you when it's done. We'll get it all.
Yeah, you gotta do it like that though, in little scoops at a time, everywhere. If you just pour it on, it's gonna mess up your whole thing. Just remember that.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Take your time.
And so what you're gonna do with this? Put in little scoops?
I'm just gonna put in little scoops all over first, then I'm gonna fork it.
Fork it? Okay. We'll show you that in a minute. The next step.
Okay. Now, fork it.
Time to fork it, folks. Next step.
This is like a signature step when making shepherd's pie. People always make the grooves.
Yeah. Who used to make it in your family?
My dad used to make it. My dad always used to make us good shepherd's pie. He's a good cook. My dad's
cool.
a good cook, yeah.
Nice.
Thank you, Dad, for feeding us good. You can put some pepper on there.
Yeah.
People can put cheese. I'm wondering if I should put some cheese. You want some? No.
No.
Normal,
It's simple. Simple
I like
shepherd's
it
pie.
normal, yeah. And we put a little bit of salt on top. And we're just gonna bake it up.
The salt sprinkling on.
Yeah. There we go.
You
Now
didn't
put
see
it
it,
in the
maybe.
oven.
She just sprinkled salt.
Yeah, because we have some in the potatoes already, remember?
All right, folks, it's going in.
We're just gonna warm it in here for like 10-15 minutes because it's all cooked, right?
Yeah.
And then we're gonna brown the top, broil the top again.
Yeah, we preheated the oven.
Always preheat.
Yeah, always preheat. We found out that too. All right, folks. We'll cook it and we'll show you the finished results. All right. The fennel. All right, folks. It's bubbling from the side. That's when you know it's done. So we're gonna brown it from the top. See the bubbling on the edges? There. Back there. It's always good to turn it so it cooks from the backside too. We're gonna broil it. All right, we'll turn it from the top.
Only takes a minute or two.
It only takes it a minute or two and we'll turn it right up. All right, we're gonna brown the top. And watch it.
Gorgeous.
All right, folks, we're gonna try some.
Oh, it's a little soft still.
Yeah, it's still hot, folks.
It's probably gonna fall apart, but it's alright. Like,
Yeah.
it's kind
Ouch.
Ooh.
It's hot. You let it cool down, it'll stay together.
It'll set up more when you let it cool down, yeah, but there's a couple layers on there, so.
Okay, folks, we're gonna try it. See how it tastes. Simple shepherd's pie. Look at that. Meat. You can put mixed vegetables with the hamburger if you like. I cooled it off in the fridge. Tastes so good. I could taste the hamburger and the corn, the potatoes. It is really good.
Simple. Simple shepherd's pie.
Yeah. And here's the one here. Okay, folks. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was educational to you. Just trying to be myself and create content that people would like to see and educational at the same time. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe and hit the bell button, and see you in the next video. Thank you.